morning, Adairville School. Today is March the 26th, 2020. Some birthdays in March are Blake Dickman. Happy birthday, Blake. Lydia Davenport. Happy birthday, Lydia. Trinidad Santillion. Happy birthday, Trinidad. Chloe Owen. Happy birthday, Chloe. And happy birthday, Elijah Paddock. Also, some teacher birthdays. Happy birthday, Miss Gaddis. And happy birthday, Miss Tina Baker.
Good morning, everybody. As you can see, we are here. We would normally do morning assembly, and it's empty. We miss you guys so much, but we hope you're having a great time working on your NTI packets and spending time with your family. We've loved seeing all the pictures on social media, so keep those coming. A couple of announcements we have. We want to remind everybody that spring break is March 30th through April 10th. We hope everybody has beautiful weather like today so you can be out enjoying your spring break. We will see you back in school with NTI work starting on April 13th, and we will be posting a message on Facebook and through Dojo by tomorrow about how you'll be able to get work for the next week of NTI. Also, when we come back to school through NTI work, look on our social media for another virtual competition that we'll be having. So again, guys, we miss you. We hope you're having a great time. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at any time. That's what we're here for. Again, here we are. We miss you all. So let's review our expectations for the day. Make sure we do these 3 things. Do your best, do the right thing, and be kind. And then remember what we say every day. Do your best today because success starts now.